So there's a file on here, and it's for the tool holder. And I just clicked it, and I noticed it wanted to like print at like 220, 60-degree bed. But what I did was I went in and changed it, but it's printing pretty fast. My goodness. Sounds weird. Holy crap, look at this thing go. I don't know what speed it's set to be honest. That's nuts. Look at this. Holy hell. It just did all that. This thing's been printing for like no time at all. What I have noticed is that the display is kind of laggy. We're at 2%. It says this is nuts. It says this thing's oh, it's telling me the speed. It's going 60, and then it goes 200. I think it's probably travel speed, but good Lord. I cannot believe how fast this thing is. Like, this is nuts. Like, oh, why did I buy that? Oh my god, look at this. Of course, you know this is an optimized file. We're still only printing at like 60. I don't know, something else is going faster than 60. 200. 200. But the slicer that they include had everything going at like 150, so I'm not really sure. Is that the big fan? Good Lord, this is nuts watching this thing go. So, yeah, man. I wonder how I can turn my lights on. That's not the big fans, that's just the regular fan. What is this? Something else? I guess the other printer was probably about this fast too. So it shows you what I'm printing right here, which is kind of nice. No stringing or anything. I don't know if my lines are a little far apart, so I think maybe my Z-axis might be wrong. We'll know when it's done printing. God, this is nuts. How is that only 95? That's really fast. 225. This is hilarious. It sounds like the printer's laughing. Okay. There we go. So we got that one. I really like that. Wow. This is crazy. So I put just a moderate amount of lube on these rails for now. The quality looks really good. So when you're changing like the temperature and the settings, it's very laggy. But we'll eventually set up Clipper. I might even just, I've got an Ethernet connection on this old laptop. I might just go in and hook it to that. This is nuts. I can't believe how fast this really is. I mean, it's shaking the whole table. This printer is actually pretty heavy on the bottom, thank God. Yeah, this is something else. Ooh, we turn this on, what does it do? Holy hell. Let's turn that off. I don't want to listen to that unless I need to run that. Look at this. I have all these things I printed, those little squares. They literally have clung to everything. I was trying to get them off of here. That's only 130 millimeters a second. It jumped to 250 for a second. There's a little bit of stringing right here. Wow. And I can actually see a lot better on this one. The print head is big, but I definitely can see better than some other ones I have. Wow. This is absolutely nuts. It's just like normally I wouldn't record this for this long, but I'm seeing this for the first time too. So I'm just like, what in the hell? Completely nuts. I've got to do something about this back here though, because it wants to touch. So maybe I'll do like they do on some of the other printers, and like support this from down here, like hang. Tell me that ain't nuts. Oh man, 12%. Holy hell! All right, guys. So that's the Neptune 4 Pro.